All right, well, we're headed back over to that girl's house because Stephen and I gave her our word we would build that top end of that bike. So, what do we do when we give somebody our word, Stephen?
Get money.
Get money. Well, we'll follow up on our word anyway. I don't know that we're going to get any money. Maybe we get a free drink or lemonade.
Lemonade?
Huh?
Maybe some food or beer.
Food or beer?
Yeah.
I don't even know if she's old enough to drink. We'll find out though. Found this little friend here. I got my female pit inside. She's pretty wanting to know what's going on. I don't know if you can see her. She's in there. There she is. She's like, what's up, man? What's the other dog doing sniffing your leg? We got a problem here. Alright, we are back. We've got this thing. We're about ready to start tearing into it. And exhaust loose. Get in there. Stephen, I've got some, actually this will work right here. Those, hooks. And, I said, and he wants, the guy's got to eat too, you know? So, needless to say, he came out with $45 worth, but they'd kick me out, made me go in the park. And that's about what it all boils down to. Alright, so we got our scraper ring, this is our compression ring. These are always darker. You got an R on these, that goes up. And then make sure that you got all your gaps in different spots of your piston so the wool just don't blow right by and you have no compression. Pretty simple. So, get this on. Pretty simple. Bada bang, bada bang. Look for your marking, if there is one. This one don't have one. So, either way is fine. That one's over here. We'll put this one over here. Intake. Important thing on this is to go ahead and put one clip in first. Makes it a lot easier when you figure out what you did with your clips. As soon as you go to get that dog out of your car and she don't know you, it ain't gonna be.
You got new ones to go on there?
Yeah, we got a whole brand new kit. Yeah. Remember we made her a deal, right? We gave her our word we'd be back. So I guess we had to uphold it. She probably didn't think she'd ever see us again.
Man, you never know with that Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace stuff.
You don't. And with my wild hair, did I look very honest? You just never know. It was a 50-50, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But I never said you can trust me. I'm a good Christian or this or that. You know what I mean? I just said I'll be back and do it.
Oh, I checked your Facebook page before I messaged back.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I saw all your bikes and stuff. I was like, he must know what he's doing.
Yeah. See? Research. That's smarts.
Yeah, after the last, when I got that 150, I got it home and I opened up, that air filter was crusty. It looks like the one they had on it stock 2008.
You know, there wasn't actually much water in there at all. Or do anything or collect money on them. They're just stuck. And some of those shops have had them for years, and because they're a big corporation, they're worried about getting sued and everything. So that's the end of that deal. I should be making you do this. Pretty easy, isn't it?
I don't know. That's a lot of parts.
It's like...
I have a hard time getting everything back in the right place once I take it
It's
apart.
only about 7 bolts, you know what I mean? But the hard part, and I'll show you, it ain't real hard. It's just doing the timing. Alright. You always told me to lead, follow, or get out of the way. I've always gotten out of the way. I don't know what the problem is. Right, Stephen?
I guess.
Huh?
Put that one in. And pilot that one in. Through the knee, yeah, through there.
All
There
right.
it goes.
There we go. That's better. Okay. Huh? Give me a 10?
No, not 3.
I ain't even getting a 3?
No.
What am I
You said a
getting?
3, but not a 10. You said a 3.
So I'll take the 3 then, right?
I did.
You giving me the 3? We had to do the valves on this. What fell the timing gear off too. One of these caps cracked. So we gotta make sure that fits. Also, hey Stephen, will you see if there's a 17 millimeter
Where?
in those big sockets over there?
What socket? But I'm glad you had an extra door, that way I could sit down too. My legs sometimes hurt me. Yesterday, they had a little wet on the bottom of my shoes, my feet, because they started flaking and stuff, and I had to pull a piece of pin off to get it out, and it hurt a little bit, but not.
You're not supposed to pull your skin off, Stephen.
It was. Don't forget the dark bar for that one that goes in the new one too. Will go in the new one.
Where's it at?
It's right there on the old one.
If I forget, it's your fault.
No, you're not, because I just told you. You got to take it off when you get done.
That's just gotta be cold, right? Drink nothing to them.
I've got.
My granddaughters wear them, but I'm just like, it's not much more than nylon hose.
Yeah.
I've got electronics in it because I was skinnier, and look at me, I'm fat now because the business, the medicines stay inside, and I try not to. I try to cut back and eat call stuff. The people think how different type of person, reality you have for your sign and stuff, because some people change different.
Yeah.
All right, we got a lot of extra parts. I mean, we got rid of all the nuts and bolts. That's what's important here. And let's see here. It's on reserve right now. After she warms up a little bit, that pipe's gonna get hot and it'll start smoking. But brand new kit. She's ready to rip.
like it, don't you? You like it, don't you?
Yeah.
She tell you what she traded that 150 for?
What do you think?
Rock and roll.
All right. Well, we got the 70 done for Sarah. She seems to be pretty happy. She's smiling, so it's all good.
Thank you for fixing us up.
Yeah,
and
no
everything.
problem.
Steven did a great job on helping with everything and telling me what to do. Doing a lot of talking. So, anyway.
Oh yeah.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification button.
For sure.
You're going to be on
Smash it.
YouTube. All right.